Hello friends, Jai Bhim everyone. Friends, I came for talk about the Anganwadi teachers problem. The Anganwadi teachers, they are protesting before the 3 days. What is the problem means, friends, who are worked as a mini Anganwadi teachers, the previous government, BRS government time, they were the mini Anganwadi teachers, they upgraded to the main Anganwadi teachers, the BRS government time. The next their salary upgrading time, they were the time the election code was came, the automatically the election campaigning also already was started. That is why the BRS government not credit the which is the main Anganwadi teacher salary. What is the mini Anganwadi teacher salary? 7,800 mini Anganwadi salary. The main Anganwadi teacher salary 13,500. When the campaigning time, this government, right now government, the government campaigning time, they were given the promise, we would come on the power, we would give the which is the main Anganwadi teacher salary, we would credit your salary 13,500, like that this government was given the promise, but they hadn't credit that which is the 13,500, which was the last salary Anganwadi teachers salary 7,800. They were still no have been continuing, but they hadn't give the which is the main salary. That is why the Anganwadi teachers, the East Vile Khammam district, the Kottagudem, the all are 858 members. The teachers, they are the protesting before the collectorate. Before since the 3 days, they have been continuing. So I came for giving the support to them, and I stand with them, which are they are doing. They are protesting. Friends, who are the teachers. The one teacher, her name Padma, she given the voice. Right now we are protesting only one district, East Vile Khammam district and Kottagudem. Might the government hadn't credit, which is the 3,989 rupees they have been not credit. If the government hadn't won't credit, we would take the protest across the Telangana state, like that she given the message to the government of the Telangana. Friends, why the government giving the promises, and why they hadn't, this government, the campaigning time was also they given the many promises, but they hadn't realized their promises. Really, not only the teachers, but also across the Telangana people, everyone, they are suffering and they are sad, and right now all our people, the situation, the flight situation and dire condition going on. That is why, as a socialist, as a responsible person, I came and I am responding on the issues, friends. I am also demanding to the government should be give their remaining salary, should be release their salary. Why? Because they are, that one is a 13,500 means the small salary. how they can couldn't. This is very sad. How they, who are the teachers, the Anganwadi teachers, especially the Anganwadi Aya and Anganwadi teachers, how they can exist and how they can lead their life with that the least salary. That is why government should be focus on them and should be release and should be credit their salary. This is my demand to the government. And everyone who are the socialist, who are the responsible persons, who are the civic persons, should be respond on the issues whenever, wherever any issue happen. Should be give the your voice behalf of the people and behalf of the victims. Friends, right now all are farmers, their situation also right now, the sad situation and flight condition going on. And everyone, the every arena domain, all are suffering due to this government. That is why the government should be should be credit their salary. Might the government hadn't credit. I also stand with them, and they will take the protest across the state. That is why should be give and should be support them. This is my message, friend. Thank you. Jai Bhim.